Do you want to create Discord account with your phone? How to create Discord account on Android. If you don't know how to create Discord account, then keep watching my full video. So let's get started. Open Discord app. And then click on Register. You can register Discord account with phone number or email. So select phone or email and enter your phone number or email. After entering phone number or email, click on Next. Now pick your username and password of your choice, and then click on Next. Now select your birth of date. After selecting birth of date, click on Create an account. Click on Confirm. According to instructions, verify the CAPTCHA. Now you can select your profile picture from default, or you can select from your gallery, or you can skip. Next time you can add your profile picture. Now again click on Next. Discord account has been created. Now or next time you add your profile picture, cover photo and edit profile and others necessary settings. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to get more update video, hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications icon.